Hey, want to reset a Snap-on truck? Let's get into it. That's a bucket of reordered product. Let's put it away. We finally got the 3/4 inch 80-tooth ratchet. Now this right here is a set of wrenches. By the sound of it, I would assume that they're all jumbled up. Nice. That took forever. But it looks nice now. For all you music lovers out there, sounds like a xylophone. Look at that. The Snap-on 5-piece striking pry bar set. Two more of the nano sets. Well, I hope you all have a great week. See you later.